Okay, so I just parked and I'm seeing here that the brake light, see the brake light is on both sides of the car, but the engine is not on and the driver's seat is not occupied. So this is an issue, and for me, I think I know the cause. Okay, so the cause is right here. The brake switch is having an issue, has a problem with it. So I'm just going to open it up and let's see what the problem is with it. Okay, so to access the brake switch, first of all is to remove this this panel underneath it, and I'll start by using a Phillips screwdriver right here. See, from the steering, see underneath it right there, see there's a screw. Keep that on the floor. Next, to gradually pull out these two, or just pull it out a bit so that you have room to remove what is underneath it. And what is under, you see, it's held in position by clips like this. You can just pull it. I've just pulled it and it's out. And then I'll also do the same to the other side. Okay, so here it is. See, okay, there are 3 clips. You can see the 3 clips, 3 rubber clips hold this in position. 1, 2, 3. So set that aside. Now you know this is the brake pedal, and you have to follow the brake pedal. Right on top of it you see the brake switch. See, that's the brake switch. And now what is happening is that the brake switch no longer has is no longer engaged. So something has happened to it. So I will just pull out this brake switch. Okay, so that's the brake switch, and the brake switch is such that it has to be engaged this way. Okay, when it is engaged, the brake light stays off. When it is let loose, the brake lights will come on. Okay, so that's the brake switch, and underneath it you see, that's where that little, see, there used to be a stopper here, and this stopper, the stopper there, that's what engages this. This brake switch works with the brake pedal, and when the feet is on brake pedal and the brake pedal is pressed, this stays like this. When the brake pedal, when your feet is off of the brake pedal, and the brake pedal goes back to its natural position, this is depressed this way. So that's what that lead stopper. Yeah, that's what this stopper does. So what I had the other time too has fallen off. So I'll quickly improvise yet again. I'll get a screw or a little bolt or a rivet and put in there. Okay, so I have this plastic rivet. Again, I'm going to put it in so that it laps this way in, and then it becomes the stopper for it. So okay, so next is to screw in the brake switch. Okay, to screw in the brake switch and to make sure it's properly seated. So this is the second time I'm doing this. The first time I only put this sort of plastic rivet, just this half of it without the screw. Now what have I done? I put the screw in it. Okay, so that's all. Next, before I cover up here, I'll go check the brake lights. Now the brake light is off. This is the passenger side, driver side. Okay, so that's all. My tax here is done. And so if you have if for any reason you experience this, this is what you do. Depending on your model of car, if yours is not under and it's not this model, all you need to do is to look out for that brake switch. This has caused a lot of issues of some persons. The first time it happened to me, I never knew, and then it melted the light covering. It was when I discovered this switch, and then it became easy for me to fix this sort of issues. So this is hoping once again that this video will be useful to someone out there in the world. Thank you for your time. Thank you.